So now that we have the facts, shall we go ahead and make a cup or two? So I think I should confess, I think I've got a coffee addiction. Starting off with some coffee of choice. Here I have some cold brew that I brewed up, but any coffee will do. And in this next container I have some apple syrup. I will show you in another video how I made this syrup. Look out for the short. And then next I've got myself some creamer, and I think any creamer will do. I chose the regular standard creamer, but you could probably go for a nut, non-dairy kind as well. And then here I've got some caramel in a tube just to make it a little bit easier. And then I found these adorable little shakers that I'm going to put on top to just kind of add some fun flair. I absolutely love the appearance of this. And then I got myself some whipped topping. I chose to go with the blue can, which I'll point out that is the blue can. It's just my preference. Again, a dairy or non-dairy option should work just fine, as oat milk seems to be the popular one. I would also recommend in the process of this, because I'd forgotten it, some kind of measuring spoon. It works usually to measure this stuff out, as you can replicate it very easy. Mine just happens to have 2 ends on it, and I'm showing that it's got the 2 ends. So let's go ahead and start assembling this, and I'm starting out with 8 of these. Here comes flash forward, prepare for what's next. And it's at this point I now realize that I've chosen the wrong cup, so here I'm showing you guys to get a larger glass or potentially just less coffee, but anybody that likes coffee would say that's sacrilege. Apparently I'm a messy person on this day, so I would also recommend that you get some paper towels and keep them by while you're making this. Just to be able to clean up any spills or messes that will be left behind. When I go and move the cup, you'll see the sticky mess, so then afterwards I had to go and clean up the sticky mess at the end. Pretty obvious that I'm assuming it's obvious that I'm using tablespoons. So it was 8 tablespoons in the beginning and 2 tablespoons of creamer of choice. So this is where I begin to regret life choices when it comes to this coffee. As you can see, it's pretty full and I'm still not done. I'm adding more ingredients to it. I will tell you what, next time I will get a bigger cup. show you in a moment here. It's absolutely everything. It matches the top. If you like content like this one, there's a button over here. Press it. If you like videos like this one, press it. Thank you for your most valued currency, your time. Bye.